Well, welcome. Another episode of Live, Die, Survive. I'm the host, Harvey Hill. I just want to show you a couple of the barns we got. We're going to label this barn 1. As you can see, it needs major cleanup. I got a lot of work ahead of me, but major cleanup. First thing I'm going to do is change that panel box out. Right now it has electric, double pole 50 amp. We're going to change it to a double pole 100 amp, which gives me a 200 amp service, 2 phases. Nice thing is they plumbed it with electrical conduit, and it's all the way to my panel bar, so I can change the breaker to a 100 amp double pole. So what I'm going to do is, right now you can see that it's made for just the outside. So those 8x8s, what is that, 6x6s? It could be 8x8s. Don't get it's either 8x8s, 6x6s. Gonna go across there with lumber, and then I'm going to install minimum 3/4 plywood, and then I'm going to finish it off barn style with wood that's lacquered and looks nice. So this whole barn is going to be finished. What I have to do, I have to level this floor out. As you can see, it's not touching the ground. That has a bigger gap. I don't know if you can see it, but that has a bigger gap. It stops right there. All right? Reason why it stops there, because we're sloped downhill. My last name's Hill. So, to recap what we're going to do on the floor, I'm going to dig a trench here, put electrical conduit because I have a barn next door, and we're going to put this barn number 2. Then I'm going to fill dirt, level this off, and I'm going to make 6 inches of concrete. This barn is going to be for the tractors, lawnmowers, weed eaters, and things like that. I am going to, it's got nice garage doors. I am going to put those into garage door opener, electrical. So what I need to do, and I want to put a door in here, I'm going to put a regular 4-foot access door right here so I can walk in. I can leave these locked. I'm going to lock them from the inside, not the outside. So I'm going to put a door right there. And again, then I'm going to put lights up there, but I'm going to put 3/4 plywood on the other rafters and this rafter. This is going to be a barn just in case it hails. That's what you're going to start seeing as bad weather, hail, and things like that. So I'm going to put 3/4 marine plywood on that. All right, and then also what I'm going to do is put a slop sink over there. Water heater, natural gas, and I'm going to run all kinds of power. And then I am going to put battery, what are they called? Battery, anyway, they don't charge, battery maintainer, I'm sorry. I'm going to put a battery maintainer, 10 controller, 50 amp for 12 volts right over there. So all my equipment, if I don't run it that has a battery, at least I maintain the battery itself and don't go south. Just to let you know, batteries should last 5 to 6 years, and on most batteries, lead acid type batteries, you lose 10% on charge every month. You don't use it. So that's why your batteries are dead when you try to start your lawnmower. So if you put a battery conditioner on it, when she starts failing, she'll charge and then shut off. So it'll work your battery. But anyway, nice garage door openers. I'm going to put this all LED lighting in here. So what else can I say? I'm probably going to put 20 LED lights. I'm going to light up this place nice. And what else? not much. Like I said, I got a lot of work ahead of me. This needs to be cleaned up, but it's a nice barn. It has a lot of potential. So what I'm going to do is, just argument's sake, let's go over here. I'm sorry. But anyway, what I'm going to do is going to put a cat here to over there. It's going to be done by 2x4s. This is going to be all insulated. So that's good. I'm just looking up. This is only like the third time I've been in this barn. But anyway, it has a lot of potential. And the reason why I'm putting 3/4 marine plywood in is if a hailstorm comes and a lot of my building's going to wind up with 3/4 plywood in it, because if a storm comes and it's 4 to 6 inches of hail, I don't have to die. Yeah, that's barn number 1. A lot of work. I didn't measure how big it is. It's, I don't know, let's see, 10, 20, 30, 35 by 40. Let's walk out to the back. Also, what I'm going to do, as barn number 2, I'm going to put frost-free water here. Right here, I'm going to chain link this so nobody can get to the water. I'm going to put natural gas. Remember, I get all the natural gas I want. So I'm going to put natural gas here. And I'm not a big fan. Even though I'm licensed for heat pump, I am probably going to cool this with my stream. And I'm going to put a geothermal air conditioner in. And what that does, it takes your water. Geothermal air conditioners are great. I'm going to capture this water. So what I'm going to do, now this water is going to be more than this. What I'm going to do is right over there, I'm going to do my project. But what I'm going to do is put in lots of sand. I'm going to sink a submersible well over there to capture this water. And I'm going to put a geothermal air conditioning and heating plant right there. But I'm going to mainly use natural gas for the heating and the geothermal for air conditioning. I do like Pentair's submersible pumps. They're more expensive, but they truly last. You've got to look at Pentair submersible pumps. They're fantastic. So I'm going to sink a 4-inch well right there, submersible pump, take it, run it across the road. Okay, I don't need to chop up this road. What I'm going to do is take the backhoe this out, backhoe that out, and I'm going to do a hole shot. I've done up to 4-inch hole shots. Just put a cap on it, drill some holes on it, use a lot of water, and just blow it through with water. As long as you don't have any rocks or anything like that. 2 foot down, I don't have any rocks. I have to start orienting about 4 foot down. Then I hit rocks. So, anyway, and then I'm going to put natural gas in. I'm going to go over there, backhoe it all through here. That building number 2, which I'll show you in a little bit, building number 2 is going to get natural gas. So is building number 1. And, but anyway, you may like that. But, anyway, again, I got a lot of work ahead of me. And then, that building is going to get natural gas. And also a geothermal, small one. And also, if you don't know about the geothermal cooling one, you can get it and say, oh, you're going to say you own lots of property. you don't have to waste the water. The out on the geothermal, you can use it to water your lawn, automatic sprinklers. They start about 20 gallons a minute. Probably the one for this building is going to be about 40 gallons a minute, but I don't need it cool, so I might just do a 20 gallon a minute geothermal, half horsepower, or 1 horsepower submergible well. Anyway, there's building number 1, and also I'm going to light it up, light the outside up, and do a nice job on lighting. Anyway, guys, that's about it. That's building number 1. As you can see, what I'm going to do is all the garbage here. I'm just going to take the tractor, going to get a dumpster, and one day I'm hiring a crew and we're going to clean up this place. But that's in April. Alright guys, I'll show you building number 2.